आयचे कावन्सील मिटिंगेक जायते इश्यूज डिस्कस जाले. तितून मध्ये एक म्हणटा आतां गार्डन मेंटेनन्स, आतां गार्डना प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो. तो प्रॉब्लम आज आमी कावन्सील डिसायडेड टू एक्झिक्यूट एग्रीमेंट आनी वॉट एवर द अमावंट क्लियर करपाक तेंगे वी हॅव टेकन डिसिजन. आनी ते पयशे 58,000 समथींग इलेक्ट्रीक बील आसा, ते बील आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक रिफर करपाक केला. आणि when the forest minister had come here, my councillors has told me that she has assured to help this council. So I will take this issue before honorable forest minister.
From this newspaper Marathi, we come to know on 4th this month that somebody got little leakage in garden which is maintained by the forest department, Kurchur municipal area. Our engineer, assistant engineer, junior engineer visit the site. They found that water picture is that item is provided there, they not safe. So they have taken immediately action and disconnect the connection. Now we have assistant engineer has requested the chief officer and forest department, please submit a test report properly, repair the fixture and submit a regulation and have a separate connection. Department will give immediately connection to the garden. This is public property. Even though they want some slide to be connected, some safe, some above 5 meter, some focus there, we can connect a slide system also. The department will bear the cost of the energy, water they are using. If they want to use other purpose, some pump purpose, some garden purpose, some their other domestic purpose, they have to take separate connection. Department will release immediately as formality will complete.
आता पयलीं सांग म्हणजे सद्या आमगे टायमपासा लागून आमी एक 7-7:30 म्हणल्यार हांगा बसताले. पूण आतां कितें जालां, ही लायट तोडलेले आमकां अशी त्रास जाल्या की आतां आमकां बेगीन वचचें पडटा. पूण कांयच हांगा हालचाल करूंक मेळना. आनी हांगा ह्या काळखाचो मागीर कोणी भलतेच मागीर हांगा गैरफायदो घेतात. हें सारकें न्ही. जाणटे लोक बी हांगा येतात, तांकां त्रास जातात.
पयलीं लायट आसलेली,
पयलीं लायट आसली, ते हालींच कितें तरी शॉक केलें म्हण कोणा तरी आयकलां आनी ते लायट तोडल्या. आनी ती लायट तोडी पासून हें हें आसतालां.
आमी ह्या दिसा बरें लायट ना, लायटी लागून बरें बसताले, सुशेगाद बसताले. पूण आमगे जालें कितें आतां लायट ना. लायट आसा आमगे जाणटेले बिणटेले मातशे बेगीन वयता, नाजाल्यार ते बरे रावंड मारताले, 7 सुद्दां रावंड मारताले ते. आतां लायट आसा काळोख पडटा,
लायट नासल्यान धांदळ जाल्या.
मातशी धांदळ जाल्या, बेगीन वयची पडटा, बेगीन उठची पडटा, बेगीन वयता.